People, and welcome back once again to Dacty for You's channel. To my old and new subscribers, I say God bless you guys so much for coming and staying with me. If you are a new subscriber, I say God bless you for coming. And please, if you happen to be here and you haven't subscribed to this amazing channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We are here again today with another recipe, guys. Today I'm going to share with you guys a Ghanaian breakfast recipe. It's a street food in Ghana. It's called oblayo, or capital letters, guys. This is an amazing recipe. It's very simple and I added a little bit twist to it. So if you want to know how I make this amazing recipe, please stay with me in the kitchen and let's do this. Love you guys so much and God bless you. So these are the ingredients that we are using for this recipe. So here we have salt to taste, cloves, I have about 5 of them, salam grains, star anise, and in this cup I have ginger juice. Here I have the cornmeal. Guys, this is how the cornmeal looks like. So I soaked this one overnight. That is why it's looking like this. You can get it from your local African market. You can get it from any grocery shop. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. Yeah, guys, so this is it. This is how it looks like. So I got this one. This one is 2 pounds and I'm using half of it. So I'm using about 1 pound. I'm using about 1 pound, and then I soak it overnight. And this is how it's looking like. When you soak it overnight, it makes it easy to cook. Like, you don't have to waste a lot of gas on it to cook. So the milk, guys, milk in this recipe is optional. You can decide to add milk to it. You can still eat it like that. And I have here honey. Guys, I'm using honey as a sweetener today, but you can use sugar, you can use brown sugar, any sweetener of your choice, but today I'm using honey as my sweetener. My husband loves honey, so I'm using honey. So guys, this is my water. It's on fire, so I'm going to add in all this and let it boil. So now the water is boiling, so we're going to add in our maize or corn to it. Guys, at this time you can decide to take out all the spices from it, but I want mine in, and I'm going to take them out when the food is ready to be served. So now I'm going to add in my cornmeal to the water. So at this time what I'm going to do is that I'm going to just stir it in. I'm going to just stir it in, and then I'll just cover it for it to cook. To cover it, and then on a medium heat we let it cook. But guys, you have to check on it frequently, and then you stir it to prevent it from burning underneath or sticking to the pan, because it. So now we're going to cover it. So guys, this is it. So it's been on fire for about 30 minutes now, and it's still not soft enough. It's still not cooked, and I can see that it needs a little bit more water. So I'm going to add in about 2 cups of water to it again, and then let it be on fire for about another 1 hour or 45 minutes. So guys, if you want to have a better results, and it needs to be very soft, it needs to cook very well. So I'm going to add in water to it at this time. I'm adding water about 2 cups to it again. Then we stir it in. So now we're going to stir it in again. So now the water is in it. So at this time, I'm going to just cover it again and then let it cook. So guys, now this is how it's looking like after we last added in the water. It's been 15 minutes now, and as you can see, I think it still needs more water. We still need to add in more water to it. Just look at it. I think we still need to add in water to it. So at this time, I'm going to add in water again, about 1 cup of water again to it. Guys, as I said, you need to keep on stirring to prevent it from burning underneath. Guys, when at this time when you are covering it, you don't want to cover it fully. So guys, at this time, it's been 1 hour and 5 minutes since we started cooking this. At this time, we're going to add in the salt because it's getting ready. We're going to add in the salt and then the ginger juice to it at this time, and let it be on fire for additional 15 to 20 minutes. Then our capital letters ready, guys. It's ready. So I'm first going to add in the ginger juice. Guys, if you haven't tried this recipe, try it. Then we add in our salt to taste. Then we mix it in. And then cover it for it to be on fire. It should be on a medium heat for additional 15 to 20 minutes. Then it's all ready, guys. Guys, the aroma from this is everything. You need to try this. So guys, this is it. Now it's all done, and guys, you are going to love it. Look at it. Just look at it. The aroma from it is everything. So at this time, I'm going to serve. So beautiful people, if you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to leave a comment. And please give me a thumbs up if you love it, and share with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching. So we're going to just serve this right now.